All right, CDT day 58, and we are on the move. Just heading out of camp now. Had an awesome night last night. Perhaps a little too awesome because we slept in until about 9:30. So it's 10:30 a.m. right now. We're going to try to bang out 25 miles, which is definitely going to be tough because of the snow and then also the elevation change. So I'm going to try because the in 25 miles is a snowmobile cabin. And so I have no problem walking through the night to get there because it'll be a great place to stop. Other than that, just had some breakfast, morning bathroom break, and pack up camp, and away we go. Well, it is post-hole madness out here, thanks to all the snow melting because of the nice weather. All the snow is very soft, so I've just been falling right through, which is very tiring, especially when going uphill. But now we're going downhill, so it's a little bit easier. Just finished a 900-foot climb through all this post-holing snow, so feeling pretty confident going forward, but a little tired. A little midday fire and some lunch because it kind of sucks out here right now. We're just post-holing everywhere all the time, and the snow is so soft that my snowshoes probably won't even work. I might try them out later today, but this is one of the driest sections we've had in the past couple hours. We've gone about 5 miles in 3.5 hours, which is very slow. It's tough going for sure. Just post-holed my way through all of that, and I have 100 feet left of this 900-foot climb, or is it 7 to 900-foot climb? And then hopefully I descend almost 1,000 feet down to dry land, and then we're probably going to camp because all this post-holing took a lot out of us today. It still is. Oh my God, look at these mountains. As I've been saying, the hardest climbs give you the best views. And we just finished a big climb with a lot of post-holing. See all those in the background? Ooh. Just fantastic. So this is us out here. This is actually a parking lot. I don't see too many people parked here ready to climb anything. Look how beautiful this view is. Just coming off the highest point of the day and descending, and hopefully descending and descending and descending so that we can get out of this snow, because we had an issue that just took a little while to resolve. I'll talk about it in a sec. But before that, that is one beautiful mountain in the background with the flowing stream right here. So yeah, we ran into an issue. We've been post-holing through the snow pretty severely all day. So actually been having kind of a bad day. We are positive people, so we are making the best of it, and you know, putting positive spins on it, but really we all know deep down, and even said it a couple times, this day kind of sucked. You know, there weren't any like huge views other than that amazing mountain I'm looking at right now, but there also just so much post-holing, which is tough. And it's really tough knowing that my snowshoes are sitting on my backpack doing nothing because they can't help in this situation. But anyways, we're post-holing just about an hour ago, going down through, and I post-hole into some water. Okay, so I'm already wet, no big deal. And then I post-hole into water that goes up to my knee. Okay, then Jesus post-holes up to his ass. Turns out we were walking on a seasonal creek, which happens to be this mother trucker. It was covered up by the snow, and there were already other footprints from other hikers there. So they must have just walked over top of it when it was still hard, you know, days prior. So now, you know, we post-hole into some deep water, and it is freezing cold. So our feet are going numb, everything's turning red, about to, you know, be in a dangerous situation. So we found this tiny little island, if you will, of land, and then quickly took our shoes off and started a fire. So got that fire going, got our feet warmed up a bit, warmed up our wet socks a little bit just so they don't hurt putting them back on. Whew. And now we're on our way. So luckily we were able to get a fire going, so that helped us through this crappy situation. And now we're gonna head down to camp and hopefully not deal with any snow. But right now morale's a bit low, and the need for a fire is pretty high. So we're gonna go do that now. Even with all that, it doesn't stop this trail from being beautiful. Of course, I'm saying that when I'm not in the snow, of course. Ask me that again when I'm post-holing for 3 straight hours. I might have a different answer for you. Alright, well, I was going to take a video of camp before it was too dark to see, but it apparently already is a little too dark to see. But you can kind of make out some of the main things. Either way, before we got to camp, of course, at the last second, we had to cross this stream. And there's no bridge, so we just have to ford that mother trucker. So we get to walk into camp with freshly wet pants, socks, shoes, boots, whatever. But that is totally fine because we're in camp now, and we found this awesome camp. Bench already set up. Fire pit looking pretty sad. I'm about to fix that. And even more benches and a lot of flat space. So this is really cool. And we're at an elevation of 10,300 feet right now instead of over 11. So it's noticeably warmer down here. And I am digging that. So we will set up a fire and get camp set up. And we're just going to sleep under the tarp again tonight, so we have quick breakdown in the morning, and hopefully get out tomorrow morning a bit early. Just had some din din. Tonight's menu was ramen with soy sauce flavoring, chicken and cheese, and it was fantastic. One of the better ramens I've ever had. So now we're just chilling by the fire. Dinner's pretty much done soon, and loving life. Being dry and mostly warm. Alright, I'm calling that the end to CDT day 58. We got about 14 miles done today, but they're pretty hard fought. There's so much post-holing, and it was really cold. Post-holing into streams, which was not great. But overall, we got a lot of work done and saw some really cool mountains, and got to walk through the forest, which is great, and now we're just enjoying the fire. So overall, I don't think it's probably my worst day on trail so far, but it was still a good day, so if that tells you anything. This is a really fun trail and trip. So check out some of the photos from today and let me know what you think. Have a good night.